How to set up iPhone to read text messages out loud. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings, and what you're gonna do next is you're gonna look for the accessibility. It's actually below home screen and app library and then above wallpaper. So I'm sorry, click on accessibility there and look for spoken content here. You will see spoken content on the vision section. So click on spoken content, and then there are two options that you have to toggle on. First is you have to toggle on the speak selection, and then second is to toggle on the speak screen. After that, what you're gonna do is you will see the speech controller, right? You have to turn that on, and here you will see something like this. Now what you're gonna do is you can actually manipulate it here. So all you have to do is to highlight the word that you want to read the phone aloud, and then you can even change the speed for that. So let's try this one for messages. Let's go here. So what we're gonna do is if you long press that one, for example this message, tap on speak, and basically that is it. And that is how you set up iPhone to read text messages out loud. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.